Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and perfect recipe for this hot weather. It's a chicken southwestern salad that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious recipe, perfect for summer, these are the ingredients. I have chicken breast, bacon, meat seasoning. For the dressing, I have virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, mustard. I have salt, black pepper, 1 garlic clove. I have pinto beans, cheddar cheese, corn, tomato, red onion, and of course the baby spinach or any kind of salad you have at home. This southwestern chicken salad comes out delicious and perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started.
I want to start here with the bacon. I have 4 slices of bacon and I am going to cut it in small little squares. But here I am going to transfer it to a plate, and I want to continue with the chicken breast. You decide how much chicken or how much bacon you want to add to this delicious and amazing southwestern chicken salad. Well, here I'm only gonna cut the chicken breast in cubes. Every single one. Believe me, this southwestern chicken salad comes out delicious and the dressing just amazing. And I'm using this seasoning that of course you are going to have in the description box. I have extra virgin olive oil and I'm adding the seasoning right into it. It's a very delicious seasoning and I'm sure you are going to love it. Well, here I'm going to add it directly into the chicken. I'm going to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. I want to make sure that the chicken is covered with this amazing ingredients. Look at this. Remember, the most important part is to let it rest for 30 minutes so that the chicken really absorbs the amazing flavors. While here, I'm going to just incorporate everything and I'm going to let it rest for 30 minutes. I have a hot pan already and I'm going to add my bacon first. Remember, you want your bacon to be nice and crispy. I have it in medium heat and it's going to cook for about 15 minutes. Look at this. Pull it apart. Once it starts getting nice and hot and releasing the oil, the lard I mean, it's going to get really crispy. Be careful. You want to make sure that it doesn't burn. You really want it nice and crispy so that when you're enjoying your delicious salad, you could really have that crunch of the bacon. Of course, my kitchen already smells amazing with the aroma of the crispy bacon. And now here in the same pan, I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to let it cook in medium heat for about 20 minutes. No more than 20 minutes. You want your chicken to still be nice and tender, crispy from the outside, but really juicy from the center. And here, the liquids have absorbed. And now I'm just going to let it cook a little more until it's getting golden brown. It doesn't take too long. Once you start noticing the chicken getting nice and brown, it is time to remove and transfer it to another plate. Of course, this is a very easy and delicious salad that I know you are going to love. And the dressing, it's a very easy dressing, and of course you are going to have all the ingredients in the description box. I am sure that once you make this dressing, you are going to love it. I have salt, black pepper, Dijon mustard, garlic. Of course, I love garlic, so you add enough garlic to your dressing. I'm only adding 1 garlic clove. And I want to make sure that I get everything that I need from the garlic clove. Once you have everything in here, just incorporate everything really good, making sure everything is incorporated. It's gonna get really creamy. It's gonna change, the color is gonna change a little, but this dressing is amazing for any kind of salad, especially for this chicken southwestern salad. And now I have the tortilla chips in strips. I have my baby spinach, and I'm ready to start organizing all the ingredients. I have corn, I have pinto beans, tomato, cheddar cheese. I'm going to add here the onion, purple onion that I'm going to pull apart. Look at this. The colors that this salad has, just amazing. Look at this. It already looks delicious. I have the tortilla chips in strips. I have the chicken right in the center. And of course, this amazing balsamic dressing. Look at this. I'm pouring it right on the top, and my mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. Add the dressing when you are going to enjoy this amazing southwestern chicken salad. Okay, now is the best part, to incorporate everything in here. Of course, I'm not forgetting the bacon. The bacon I'm going to add at the end. If you liked and loved this recipe, this amazing southwestern chicken salad, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm sure you're going to love it. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this southwestern chicken salad. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It is perfect for this hot weather. Excuse me. Amazing. It came out delicious and amazing with all the ingredients and the balsamic vinegar. Just perfection, made at home. I hope you make this amazing salad. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing southwestern chicken salad for this hot weather. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.